Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote smart park assist forward and reverse in the brand new 2022 Kia EV6. I have in front of me here a long-range all-wheel drive with GT Line Package 2 and Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to go into the key fob here. We have on the side a hold button, which is like the remote start. And then we have this little button with the car and a P and an up arrow and the same thing, but with the down arrow underneath it. So right now, I can't fit to get into the car. We're parked a little too close and I was pretty sure I'm in the wrong from the way I'm parked, but I can't fit in. So what we're going to do is bring the car out so then I can fit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the lock button. And then I'm going to press and hold the remote start button for a few seconds. And then you're going to see the front lights are going to flash 3 times. And that's just letting us know the vehicle is now on. So now I want it to go forward. So I'm going to press and hold the P up button here for a few seconds. And you're going to see the lights are going to turn on. And then it's going to release the electronic parking brake. And now the vehicle is going to move forward for me. So I'm still holding the button to let it out. Now, if the vehicle was moving forward, and let's say I walked in front of it here, it will stop itself. If anything were to go in front or go behind or it senses anything is there. And then it stopped itself and now it's flashing because something has stopped it. So if I was done right now, I'd be able to hit unlock and then hop in the car. But let's say I wanted to park back into a tight space. I can go ahead and hold the down P button here, and then the car will start backing up to fit into that tighter spot where I wouldn't be able to get out after we parked. Just give it a sec. And then of course you can release it at any time once you're ready to leave it where it's at. And now it's done. And then what I would then do is if I was done with the parking, I'm going to press and hold the remote start button again. It's going to flash to let me know I've turned off the car. And now I'm going to lock it. And now we're all done. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.